G'day everyone, Gareth here from Fraser Coast Food Forest. I'm going to do another inspection on that beehive today. Hopefully I'll be able to get the super on. But what I wanted to show you was my bees, I believe. I'm guessing they're my bees. Pollinating, or I shouldn't say that, collecting pollen from a dragon fruit. And I'm hoping this video will show the bees coming out. They'll come out and they'll roll the pollen to their back legs, which is where they store it, and then they go back to the hive. There's a nice one there, rolling the pollen to its back legs. You can see him in there getting covered in pollen, collecting it all. Hovers and rolls the pollen to its back legs. There's another one doing it here. Absolutely amazing. And they will take that pollen back to my beehive to store as food. Ready? They'll come out. Ready? Here he comes. I should say she, it's not a he. There we go, look at that. Amazing. There's a few of them. Another one. Unfortunately, this particular dragon fruit needs to be pollinated with a different variety dragon fruit, but nonetheless the bees are doing an amazing job. Thanks for watching.